Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Okay, so to kick off our analysis, today we're going to start with Eurusd. Okay, from what I am observing, according to my analysis on the monthly chart, we are most likely going to see higher prices on Eurusd. Okay, to target 1.2200 big figure. Right, that is on the monthly chart. Let's take a quick look on the weekly chart to see if price is telling us something different. Okay, clear all drawings right there. Okay, so from what you can see, this was our weekly objective from last week, and we have already achieved that. Right, and then at the same time, now taking a look at the previous two up candles, right, this gave us some form of bearish block, okay, and we have failed to respect that block. We see that price traded above that block and also above the rejection block that was left when price took a dip. All right, so with that said, this further supports my analysis that we're supposed to see higher prices on Euro USD. Okay, all right, so on the dollar chart, I've already marked this zone. Right, I moved to this zone from here, right, earlier on, right, because we are hoping that once price open, it gets into this zone, but we have already made it better, right, to get a better entry. We've moved it down a little bit. Okay, so with that said, we still expect price to go higher, right? This zone is going to be our TP, so price should go into this zone before going to take out this previous day high. So just another quick look on the lower time frame. Right, so yes, okay, on the lower time frame, things are beginning to shape up now, right? Overall, from the monthly and the weekly, we see price is pointing up, right? And then last week we gave you this trade, went on to take our TP, right, and cleared this objective. Right now we have a new objective of 1.1910, right, or 1.1900 big figure. That also can work, right? So here we have an area of sell stops that is waiting to be raided. Okay, so as soon as price open, right, we expect price to go down and trade into this zone here. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit there, make it much clearer for you guys and for everybody taking the signal to have a clear understanding. Right, so as I was saying that here, this is an area of equal lows. It has to be taken out. So as soon as Monday opens, right, price open, we expect a dip to take out this guys, right, and hopefully we can all enter on the bottom of this huge up candle. Okay, right, this is where our entry is going to be. Right, in terms of our stop loss on this pair, let's put it right here. Right, this should do. Right, alone this trade is going to be a 2-hour trade. Right, so with that said, let me just take also another quick look on the H1 chart. Okay, right, so on the H1 chart, basically it's still the same. We expect this guys to be taken out. Right, market opens, trades below, right, taps into this zone. Right, this is where we are entering, right, and then retracing to go and take out previous day high, and our TP is going to be 1.1910, right? As for our stop loss, we're going to put our stop loss right here. Okay, let me just put a horizontal line there and then give you the exact figures, right? But then if you're a conservative trader like me, right, your stop, let me make this clear, your stop is going to be in this zone here if you're a conservative trader. But then those that are aggressive, you can put your stop just below, right, this a little swing high, and then aiming to take out the previous day high. Right, so with that said, just give me a second to put the figures so that it makes a little bit more sense for you guys. Okay, right, so all the figures are there. Right, just a quick review. We expect price to dip into 1.1685. Okay, right, taking out or clearing the sell stops residing here. And we should not see price want to trade below, especially this candle here. Okay, but to keep us safe, let's put our stop loss on 1.1632 if you're aggressive, and then if you are conservative like me, I'm going to put my stops on 1.1580. Right, so basically this is what we expect when market opens. Okay, so hopefully that you guys will find this rewarding, and let me analyze a little bit more pairs so that we can have a plethora of trades this coming week. So thank you guys. Have a lovely weekend and a lovely week.